This short video will introduce you to the most unique app in the service industry. This app is included with your Special Touch franchise. Services include GPS monitoring of crews, auto processing of credit cards, customer reminder texting, auto scheduling of customers, invoicing, human resources, customer estimates, and an online payroll processing program. You can test the app on our website.
Our GPS app program will enable you to track employees in real time. Just click on the red marker to see where the crew is located. Every crew member that signs into the app will be seen on the map. The next screen shows the exact in and out time for each customer and the corresponding team members. You could check for any individual, customer, or any date for the time in and out. The work report details data of the cleaning, miles driven, price charged, profit made, and how payment was made. You can even check the hours worked and the labor costs. If you click here, you can see who cleaned which room in the customer's home. The employee work report will provide by employee and by date, the exact route driven by the crew and in the order customers were serviced, plus a complete detail of customers cleaned, payment, date cleaned, and in and out times. The app will also keep track of customers who have not paid or who are to be invoiced, and the system will indicate if a team is trying to start or stop work away from the customer's home. The weekly work report will show by date range the exact hours worked and the miles driven, which in turn will be used for the payroll. You can invoice a customer and store that invoice in a database. Our scheduling program will prepare a daily schedule based on employee leaves, extra employees available, remaining customers, and give you the ability to send the schedule to each employee via text. The schedule will be arranged by employee teams, zip code, and time of service to ensure that customers are serviced in the exact order. The text reminder program will be sent out 24 hours in advance and track which customers confirmed and those that declined service. The credit card program will automatically charge customers on a daily basis and show if the credit card was approved or declined. Our estimate program will enable you to enter all of a customer's information to provide an accurate price quote. You have the option to send the estimate to the customer via email. All estimates will be stored in a database that can be viewed later. A customer worksheet will be created from the estimate and also stored in the database. The Human Resource Program will store an employee's information from initial application to employee handbook, attendance, and even performance reviews. Our in-house payroll program will take information from the GPS program to perform payroll and pay employees via direct deposit or check.